Back home, an inquiry into Victoria's child protection system has heard oversight of the sector should be taken out of the hands of the state government. Child welfare professionals told the inquiry the Department of Human Services shouldn't be both a service provider and a regulator, and called for the establishment of an independent watchdog.
The Centre for Excellence in Child and Family Welfare has told the inquiry it's not appropriate for the Department of Human Services to act as regulator and funder of child protection services and be the legal guardian of children in the system.
We believe that the outcomes for children in care are poor, and that the only way that we're going to change those is with direct focus, and focus through somebody empowered, such as a guardian, who can actually bring to the attention of Parliament the true needs of children in care.
It's calling for an independent body that would oversee the system, evaluating the care provided and decisions made by the department.
It would actually be looking after individual cases. It would be focusing on how children are performing in education. Are their needs being met? Are they placed in the right care processes and systems?
The Centre believes that would prevent many serious cases of child abuse and neglect.
That if we can invest early, then we won't have the huge expense that we have at the end of the system.
Another child welfare organisation working in one of Melbourne's growth corridors in the city's northeast told the inquiry it was struggling to cope with growing demand for its services.
We've been required to work at quite a high-level, intensive end of the service system, and our capacity to provide preventative services has been greatly reduced.
The organisation says there needs to be greater funding for preventative work in the community,
so that harm to children doesn't eventuate in the first place.
Another public hearing will be held in Melbourne next week, with the inquiry due to deliver its recommendations in November. Tim Callanan, ABC News, Melbourne.